princess?
What are you going to be when you grow up?
I said a princess.
A princess?
Yeah.
Where are you going to live?
At a castle?
In a castle?
Yeah.
Who are you going to marry?
I'm not going to marry anyone.
You're not going to marry anyone?
No?
No? You're just going to be a princess?
Yeah.
Oh.
Gross, I don't want to marry anyone.
Well, I thought a princess has to have a prince.
Oh.
I don't know. You don't have to.
Oh. Gibby.
You're going to marry Gibby?
No, I only have Freddie.
Oh, Freddie. You said Gibby.
Yeah, that's Freddie.
You said Gibby. You said Gibby.
I said Freddie. Freddie still.
Oh, okay.